If you've ever struggled with writing emails, whether it's for work, school, or personal use, today's video is a game changer. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write emails faster and better. So let's dive right in. Let's start with drafting a basic email. Suppose you want to write an email to a colleague about a meeting. Type in this prompt, draft an email about scheduling a meeting to discuss the quarterly sales report. Then hit send. Notice how ChatGPT structures the email with the greeting, the main content, and a professional closing. Also, you can customize the tone and specifics according to your needs. For example, let's make it a bit more friendly yet formal. So, like I said, this is what I'm going to type right here. Rewrite the email with a friendly and formal tone. Then hit send once again. And there. As you can see, how ChatGPT revised the email with the wording and the tone, it was able to match and generate what you specified. ChatGPT can handle more than just drafting simple emails. Let's say you need to write an email apologizing for a late shipment. For example, you could say, draft an apology email for a delayed shipment, include a discount after as compensation. And hit send once again, and let ChatGPT generate from there. And here we go. Here, ChatGPT not only addresses the issue, but also integrates a solution by offering a discount. This not only speeds up your response time, but also helps in maintaining customer satisfaction. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. ChatGPT can be tailored for various scenarios, from professional to personal. Let's draft an invitation for a professional networking event. Then, here's my prompt. Compose an email inviting colleagues for a networking event next month. And here it is. Then hit send. And here's the email ChatGPT generated. Perfect for sending out multiple invites efficiently. You can also personalize each email by adding individual names or personal notes. Using placeholders for personalization saves time and keeps your messages relevant. After drafting your email, you might want to refine it. Let's refine the networking event invitation to add a more urgent call to action. Let's say, for instance, add a sentence to the email to create urgency about confirming attendance. And hit send once again. Here is the new email that ChatGPT generated. Adding such calls to action can significantly increase your engagement rates. Remember, the key is in the details. With ChatGPT, you can quickly adapt any email to better suit your audience and your objectives. And there you have it. This is how you can streamline your email editing writing process using ChatGPT.